me say abe. Pay me na inti me na me nya ahu sepe. Ajay, woyi.
Peace. Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This video is centering my morning routine. I've been cultivating it over the months, and this is just what works best for me and how I go through my flow. It's pretty quick, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Like I say, any questions, any comments, affirmations, put it in the comments. So basically, I start with cleaning my room.
Listen to the sounds of nature.
Sometimes I sweep after I mop because it be stuff on the ground. Then I do some movements, hydration, slight journaling.
Like a father too. Maybe small, who the rich come to. They fall like a legal do. And spill them guts like a snitch will do. Just like living a dangerous.
Breath work, hygiene,
see some colleagues are leading us. And when we cut the strings, them get envious. But them lifestyle rotten. Smell like pus, but them go judge them if for comforting.
breakfast, shower, some self-care with a face mask.
So when them hear the call, how many go go? Afflicted in their mind and confused in the soul. When them hear the call, how many go follow? So they just want not see about slow. So what's your reality? Just looking at the mirror, mirror me, mirror she, realities get clearer. Them paradigm shift, and there a day I've got to see and then not people see.
And after all this, I end it with a snack.
Now hold me close on a night like this. From it cold and your touch I